What is up, my dudes? In today's video, we're playing this game that's on Google. It's called Infinite Craft. I've never really played this game before, so I'm really excited to play it. So basically, it's basically about this game where you can literally make anything. There's no limits. And our goals is to make the Pokemon Minecraft and to at least get something electric related. Not trains, like a phone or an Xbox. Gotta get at least one of those. And of course, we gotta get Goku. Obviously, there's no way we can't get these, okay? Because there's endless of possibilities. You can make any person. You can make James Charles if you want to. You can make any person, any object, and you start off with only 4 elements. So our goal is to get Pokemon and to get one legendary from the Pokemon. So I'm thinking we should find out how to get God or Galaxy and try to get Arceus or Dialga. I think no, Palkia is actually water and God. I don't know. We'll find out soon. We know Palkia is a water type, so we have to freeze water once we get Pokemon. No, it has to be a legendary. Anyways, let's get into the video. Let me just take off my mask. No, I'm trying to figure out how. Hopefully y'all can see it. Trying to figure out. You know what? I'm gonna have to deal with it. Alrighty. I was using this to film a video on my new channel. Okay. Now let's search up Infinite Craft. Okay, Infinite Craft. Since it's not like a school computer or anything, it'll let me get into the website as soon as possible. This is a really fun game if you really get into the game. And were we doing dark mode? Can we do like a... there we go. That's better. Alright. We'll do F11. So we're fully into the game. Alright. So our elements are earth, wind, fire, and water. So we have earth, water, wind, and fire. Now, if we merge fire and water together, we get steam. Steam and earth is mud. Mud and wind is dust. Just like that, we already have 3 new elements. You see how easy this game is? Wait, I think if I just... Don't show my face! I should make it more reasonable. Okay, so here we have dust, okay? Right, we have dust right here. What if we add water? We get mud. Makes sense. Okay, but what if we add fire to dust? We get ash. And if we add earth to ash, we get soil. And if we add earth again, we get plants. And if we add plant to plant, we get a tree. If we add water to tree, we get a river. And if we add water to river, we get a lake. We get water to the lake is an ocean. Water to ocean is a fish. And I believe we are so close. Water to soil is a plant. Okay. What about water? Okay, we got a swamp. Plus fire is a dragon. That's good. We can use that to try our best to get a dragon type legendary, like a Rayquaza or a Palkia or a Delaga. And if we add fire to that, it's still a dragon. So let's add dust. We got a dragonfly. Okay, we're not making any kind of progress here. Alright. Let's do soil and dragonfly. Plant. Wind and plant. Dandelion. Okay. Fire and dandelion. We get ash. Yeah, makes sense. How about earth and river? We get delta. What the hell is delta? Alright, we get dust. We got pyramid. Okay, okay. And now we need to get... I'm pretty sure we have to get like some kind of island. And we have to put like... Okay, pyramid. What about fish? Mummy. Okay. Now, we do need fish to make Pokemon. I just don't know what to do. I know, like, there's a way to make Pokemon. Because Beck Brojack. Anyways, so we are getting close with what we have with plant. We need an island. So we need to add earth to it. Earth again is a forest. Okay, so we need to find out how to make sand somehow. Wood. Okay, it's not what I'm going for. What if we had pyramid? Okay, mummy. What about mummy? Sarcophagus? What is that? Well, this. Mummy. Okay, we're not getting anywhere with this. We're gonna have to do earth plus forest. It's a tree. Boat. Fishing. We're getting somewhere. Okay. What if we add a tree to fishing? Poseidon? We already got one of the gods. What about fishing and Poseidon? Fish. Shark. Okay, we're getting... That's kind of crazy, I guess. I mean, it's not exactly crazy, but... What if we had two sharks together? We get a whale, okay. The whale and shark. Okay, yeah. So what about whale? Two whales. What about... Well, two whales together. It's just a whale. Okay, what about fire and whale? Dragon. Okay, yeah, that makes sense, I guess. Alright, I gotta think here. Now, there is something you can get. It's called Poke. Because, you need Poke for Pokemon. So, it's like a mushroom. So, we need to do plant-based things. Like soil, plant, and fish is involved with this. And somehow, I think you might need a couple of earths. And maybe a fire and some water. Somehow, we have to make Pokemon. But I don't know how to do that. Okay, we gotta think here. Oh, wait, I forgot. We need to have a volcano. Lava. Stone. Earth. Rock. What about earth again? Mountain. Okay, we're getting close. That is close to island. So what if we added plants? Tree. I'm pretty sure you have to add fish to island to get Poke. And then add another island to Poke to get Pokemon. Pretty sure it's how you have to do it. So you just need island. We just need island. We have fish, we just need island. So I just gotta find out how to get island. How do you make island? I gotta do some research. I'm not gonna look it up. I just gotta really think. Give me a second. Because I don't search. I like doing things myself. Alright. We're back. I was thinking, when you have a volcano, which is fire and fire, I just remembered. So you have Volcano, right? And it's like it's really hot, right? And how islands underground are like super duper hot, right? But you would need to cool it down. So I was thinking we try something water related. I don't think it's gonna be water, and I think we're gonna try lake first. So we're gonna put lake and volcano together. Please, 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 please. Oh, we got island. We got island. Oh my god. Okay. How? Okay, mermaid. Okay, that's. Okay, that's not what we're going for. Tree. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do some thinking off camera to not make this video so long. Hold on. Okay, so I looked up what Poke is. It's actually not anything related to Pokemon. It's like its own substance. So it's like a form of algae, which algae is formed by plant and water. And that's what I was thinking. If we could form these two together to make algae. What? Hold on one second. I must have done something wrong here. Hold on. I just realized I forgot we have to make Hawaii, which is obviously volcano and island. So we're gonna quickly do that. And I think if we form this with island, no. What about fish? Let's go fish. We got it. Okay, okay. So that means if we add, island. If we add island with Poke, we get, please. Yes! We got Pokemon. Okay, perf. There you go, we got Pokemon. Alright. Okay, now that you guys know we've gotten Pokemon, I remember something about, I remembered how to do it. We needed Hawaii, and, I believe fish makes that Poke. Because I know somewhere in within making Pokemon we needed fish, so. Okay. Anyways. Let's clear this out. And put in Pokemon. So, we have our singular Pokemon here. Now, obviously, we need to make all the God Pokemon. That being Arceus, Giratina, Palkia, Dalaga, and I'm going to be considering Mewtwo and Mew3. Because you can make Mew3 on here as well. Those are what I'm gonna be. Those are the God Pokemon in my opinion. So we're gonna quickly line up these right here on the thing. What is Pokemon make? Oh, an egg. Okay, that makes sense. But we don't need that right now. Alright, and don't mind the music in the background, it's my mom. Alright, so if we're doing this, just gotta.
What time you gotta work tomorrow, Shanna? What? What time you gotta go to work?
Okay, so,
here at 7 a.m. Okay.
Don't bother what's going on in the background.
Sorry,
Just ignore it and focus on what I'm doing. Oh Jesus.
Oh, I got shit.
And
And I think it was my. I mean, I clean out.
okay, so
I go in. So, we need to get a better drain plug or something because it's not catching shit. I mean, I pull out. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I
okay,
got it out.
so we got the Pokemon stuff here. Now we just gotta do something. Let's see. What can we do? We can do Dragon and Pokemon, which can make a Dragon type Pokemon, or we need to find out how to make God.
This time I just pulled everything out, and here it's like all.
Okay, we have to find out how to make God, because when we make God, we can definitely think of how to get the other Pokemon. So what we have to do is we have to unlock Giratina, Arceus, Palkia, Delaga, Mewtwo, and Mew3. So if we have to figure out how to do that. Okay.
Yeah, I like that. I don't know why we didn't. Yeah, it was probably because of me.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Okay, so I have a theory. Let's just start making random Pokemon. Like, there you go, Magikarp. And what if we added fire? We got Gyarados. Okay, that's gonna be Gyarados. Okay, what about Pyramid and Nest? A Tomb. We got a Mewtwo. Okay, that's one of the Pokemon. We got Mewtwo. Okay, we got Mewtwo. Okay, now Mermaid Pokemon. Ooh.
If I stay out late, it's because
Gyarados. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Anyways, what if we add Mewtwo, the Pokemon? We get Mew. Well, Mew and Mewtwo. Would that make Mew3? Yes! We got Mew3 and Mewtwo. That's nice. We got two of the
well, I'm probably gonna get that light bulb that I need. 6
Pokemon that we need. We just need the God Pokemon. Now, how about we add Swampert Pokemon? And then if we add Mew3, it might add a big Mud3. What?
Walmart?
Mud3? What in the world? Alright. Now, if we add Mew, okay. About Island of Pokemon. Pikachu. Now, what if we added Mewtwo to Pikachu? We got Mew. What about Pikachu and Mew3? Mew. What Mew and Pokemon? Mewtwo. Pokemon. Anyways, we're kind of not paying attention here. What about Poke and Pokemon? Pokeball. Okay. Well, wait. Mewtwo. Trying to think. Oh, we can get Wailord easily here. Hold on. Yeah, we got Wailord. And then we can get Wilmer. Okay, we can't get Wilmer here. We can get Sharpedo. That scared us. Okay, what if we added Poseidon and Pokemon? Gyarados. I don't know what to do here. We got Mewtwo and Mew3, but we haven't gotten anywhere close to understanding how to get Giratina, and we haven't even started on Minecraft yet. We have to find out how to make the Wikipedia or something to find out how to do that. We have to make internet, so I don't really know how to do that. And getting Minecraft is so hard too, because in BeckRoJack I took many steps to make Minecraft. Ugh, I don't even remember how to do that. This is going to be a very long video. Prepare yourself, everybody. Okay, so if we're going to do this... Okay. And she starts a song. Okay. Just ignore the background, because you're going to hear music. Okay, so we gotta think strategic. We have to shut his eyes here. if I were a god Pokemon, how would I want to be made? Surely to use another legendary Pokemon, right? We have to think like the game itself. We have to think how to do it. Okay. Okay, this video's gonna be way too long if I think on camera. Okay, I've been thinking. First, get rid of all the Pokemon stuff. We don't need that right now. We need to focus on what's important. So, our 4 elements: fire, water, earth, and wind. I've been thinking, what if we put these 2 together? And then make these 2 together? No. What about if we added wave and earth? Sand! Nice! Okay, now if we melt it down with fire, we get glass. Yeah! And then, what if we add glass and glass? Do we get an hourglass? I'm trying to make time here. We get window. There's sand in the hourglass. We have to use. Oh, no, not you. We can go back. We need glass and sand, and together, hourglass. Now, what about fire and hourglass? We got time. Oh. We got time. Wait, time and Pokemon. There's only. This can create either Palkia or Delaga. Right? Where's the Pokemon guys? We got Dialga! Ooh, okay, so we got Dialga, we got Mewtwo and Mew3. So that is honestly crazy. And what if we added water? Because Palkia is a water type. Water. Tide. What if we put Pokemon and Tide together? Pokemon. Tidemon. And then if we add time to that. Okay. Now I gotta figure out, how do we make God? We've got time. I'm pretty sure it's one of the things you need to do. I'm trying to think here. Hold on. When I think of God, I think of a universe. And the only way to make a universe is we have time, which is one of the things we need to use universe. And the other one is pretty sure it's planet. And I know how to make planet. That's earth and dust. Yeah. So that makes universe, right? Time and planet. Let's go. We got a universe. Okay. If we add this to Pokemon, Arceus. Okay, but now we have to get. Wait. Arceus is god of Pokemon. Giratina is Satan. So if we get opposite, we can opposite Arceus to get Giratina, because he's the god of Pokemon, and Giratina is the Satan of Pokemon. So we need to get opposite. But how do we get opposite? Ugh. But then after we get Pokemon done, we have to get Minecraft done too. I'm gonna have to think off camera again, bro. This video's like almost 20. Okay, well, let's just start from the basics. If we had water and water, we get lake. If we add earth and wind, we get dust. If we add... Wait... Lava and ash makes a phoenix, right? Hold on. I'm thinking here.
You need this clear cap. If it goes down the sink, it'll plug it up for good.
Okay.
Yes, you need it. No, you don't.
So if I'm thinking of like opposite, I'm thinking of getting from the basics to getting crazy. So what I think is we do lake and earth to get swamp. Wait, we have a swamp right here. We actually have swamp. Okay, so if we do swamp and earth, wait, what do we get? We get mud. I'm pretty sure if we add dragon and ash, we'll get closer to it. Like, that makes a phoenix, right? And that's, like, close. It's something, right? Yeah. That's phoenix. So if we had phoenix and dust... That's ash. What about phoenix and, Oh. What if we just add phoenix and dragon? Dragon. We get yin yang. What if we add wind to yin yang? Feng shui. Okay. But what if we add, I remember now. I remember how to make it. So basically, we have to do dust to make Dust Bunny with Feng Yuji. And then if we add that with Yin Yang, we should get universe, right? No, oh no, I meant opposite. Yeah, we got opposite now. We got opposite. Right here. Yeah, opposite. So what if we opposite both Arceus and Dalga? Opposite Dalga. Palkia! We got Palkia! Yes! Okay, and if we opposite Arceus, Dialga?
I don't know why this.
What? What? No! Ugh. Didn't work. We didn't get Giratina. Okay, I don't think we can get Giratina. Because there's no way to do that, right? Okay, how do we do this, bro? Oh my god. I don't know how to do this. Okay, when you think of Giratina, what do you think? You would think Satan, correct? Now, if I were to do, hold on, I can't remember, I just forgot, what was it? Okay, when I think of Satan, I would think of getting a sandstorm, right? I know it makes no sense, but just trust me on here. So, to get sandstorm, you need dust and, I think sand, right? So, I am trying to make sure I don't face reveal here. It's not making it easy. Okay, when I think of sandstorm, I'm thinking sand and dust. No. Wind and dust. Duh. I think, right? Sandstorm. Okay, now, doing this with Hawaii to make Oasis? Is it Hawaii to make Oasis? Tsunami. Hawaii. Surf. I'm doing something wrong here. Let me just rethink this real quick, guys. Now, if we were to make an oasis, we would need sandstorm and water, I believe, right? I think, because it like folds it together. You'll see. Oasis, and if we had oasis with Hawaii, we get paradise, and if we had paradise with fire, we get hell. And if we add volcano to hell, well, we get Satan. Right here. Proof. Satan. There you go. Oh. Stupid. Alright. So now, what if we did Pokemon with Satan? That would be Giratina, right? Arceus. But wait. What if we add God? Wait. I just found out how to get God. I just found out how to get Santa? What? Oh. we just got double. Gengar. We're getting somewhere. We're getting ghost types. Guaranteed us Ghost and Dragon. What if we had Dalga and Gengar? Dial Gengar? Is that like some kind of fusion or whatever? We're making up words. Okay. No. Get hell. Time and hell. What is time and hell? Eternity. Could we get Eternatus? If we get Eternatus from this, I'm... God fucking damn it! No thanks. Anyways, if we get Eternatus from this, I might just cross off Giratina. How do we get rid of this stupid Arceus, bro? Do we have to add planet to Arceus or something? Bro, how do you do this? How does someone do this? What about Yin Yang and Pokemon? Pikachu. Okay. You know what? This is actually starting to be very frustrating. I cannot figure out... Black hole! Black hole! Black hole! We just need to figure out how to make black hole. This is the only time I'm using Google for this, and I'm going to show you. Hold on. This will be the only time I'll use Google, because I don't really know how to do this. How do you make sorry, don't know there. Black hole and infinite craft. Okay. Okay. Alright, to make infinite craft, we need water, earth. We already have dandelion, so we just need to get. You need to start from dandelion. So dandelion is dandelion patch. Wind and dandelion is seeds. Fire and seeds is popcorn. Dandelion plus seeds is wish. Wish is star. Popcorn and star is pop star. Star and star is galaxy. Hold on. We don't have to do pop star. Okay, star and star is galaxy. Then pop star. Oh, we have to have pop star. That's black hole. Okay, so go back to. Okay, thank God. Okay, so we get 2 dandelions. And... Okay, we get 2 dandelions to make dandelion patch. And then if we get fire to burn down the patch, we get... What? Close. Okay, seeds, okay. So we need to get wind. Let's keep fire up. And dandelion patch. Let's get wind. There you go. Okay. We get seeds, and then fire, we get popcorn. Then we get, how do we get... wish. Dandelion plus seeds is wish. Okay. Seeds. plus Dandelion is Wish. Popcorn and Wish is Genie. Oh, no. We need to do Wish, Popcorn up. We get Star. We get Pop Star. And then Star and Star is Galaxy, and then Pop Star and Galaxy is Black Hole. Okay, now we add Pokemon to Black Hole. Darkrai. We're close enough Giratina replacing with Darkrai. It's impossible. I can't make Giratina. So we'll just stick with Darkrai. I mean, he is like the Nightmare Pokemon, so I guess that's better than nothing. Okay. Okay, this is me part 1. This video has gone on for half an hour, and I am absolutely bored. I'd like to watch some Bedbro Jack. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. I'm going to do my outro in 3, 2, 1.